project presentation, members Johan Gerena, Carlos Orlando Medina Herrera, Cristian David Bejarano. The logo of company refers to civil works. It also refers to the design and finishes of bridges and roads. Mission: we are a company focused on road finishes, both on roads and bridges in the private and public sectors, which mission is satisfy the needs of the client during and after the project, also complying with the quality standards of the finished product. To be a company recognized at the level in the construction field focused on road finish. This goal is placed in the medium term in order to demonstrate to our clients and to society how efficient we can be using the technology and materials of the high quality and in the long term, and to be an international recognized company. Objective of the company: we want that at national level we can demonstrate the quality of work in the project, detailed digits, road or pedestrian paths, to see how year after year we improve our quality and workmanship, have one on the best work teams and the national level signs of effectiveness, quality and compliance will be that what will achieve is to become to number on one company at the territorial level. Problem to be solved. The problem we might have is the mobility in the sector was very hard, since there was no like Weekend, Avenida José Celestino Montes and Avenida Boyacá. Another problem was that of the pine house. We hosted in the hard pine that being covered with water, it becomes slippery and causes accidents to both people and the supply. To solve this problem, we will change by no sign of better quality so that these problems do not continue to occur. Objectives of the project: we want the quality of work in the whole structure project to be shown at the national level, to see how over the years we promise and are recognized thanks to how quality, compliance, efficiency, and workmanship, both nationally and internationally. We want to be a leading company in the construction sector science, for whose being recognized work with is their main objective. Process done for project. The construction of the rise was short of the Central Line and traffic on the Vía Avenida Boyacá with José Celestino Montes. A new workforce was used and the materials were changed to better quality. Traffic congestion is seen for which it is decided to build the bridge. When the bicycle is passing over the pine, the bicycle seat is what they see to change the quality of material. When the bridge was built, some houses in the sector had to be demolished. The bridge reduced traffic congestion and improved pedestrian mobility. The bridge was built with piles de 57, 47 and 37 meters of the L4 to hold in the bridge and present bridge. It escaped and was removed and here for the construction of piles. The construction of bridge was demolished traffic in the Avenida Calle 63. The construction of bridge was changed the vision system in the via. The construction of vial was checked in the empowering from the rainwater. With the construction of bridge, more security in the general in the sector due to its links. The sector where the stand was built is more commercial due to vehicular and pedestrian roads. The construction of the bridge will generate a better environment impact since different species of plants and trees will be planted. The construction of the bridge was a work that had both positive and negative votes, but is related to good. Conclusion. Advice take in account the quality and durability of the material to be executed so that costs are generated outside the work. With the construction of the bridge, a cadastral evaluation is generated is the zoning house.